Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using only PowerPoint. Plus, you can free download this template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to Format Background, and you're gonna give it a gradient. The colors I'm using for the gradient are blue and purple. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab on Insert a PNG image of moon, and we're gonna decrease its size a bit, and we're gonna put it out to the left side of our slide. Next, we're gonna cover it half by a rectangle, remove its outline, and we're gonna give it the same format background gradient as we did to the background, and we're gonna give the blue color transparency of the right side, and we're gonna put it cover half of the moon with it. Plus, to give it a more realistic effect, we're gonna select the moon, go to picture settings, and we're gonna go to picture transparency, and we're gonna decrease and increase the transparency. Next, we're gonna insert our content text in which we're gonna write home and other buttons. So here you go. And we're gonna put a straight line right here so that we can just cover and so that we can show that we are in the home window. And then we're gonna insert a circle in which we're gonna give it the same gradient, and we're gonna send it to the backwards. And we're gonna duplicate it as well, and then we're gonna put it on to other sides as well. And the next thing we're gonna do is insert our title text box in which we're gonna write our title, which is gonna be the moon. We're gonna insert increase its size and change its font to Irony font, and we're gonna increase its size and change its color to white. And for other details, I'm just gonna paste it right onto the slide, or let's just move it to the left side. You can add these shapes as well. Plus, you can download this free template from link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. Next, we're gonna align our shapes horizontally from the align option and the shape format option. So here we go. Now close the format background, and you're gonna insert a circle, change its height and width to about 0.2 centimeter. And we're gonna duplicate them a lot times. We're gonna group them and then duplicate them and put them about on top and downwards by her like this. And we're gonna group all of it and ungroup them, go to shape format and click on union option from the merge option. And we're gonna increase their transparency to 50 or above, and we're gonna move them to half out of the slide to the left side. So you can also put it on to the right side if you want, but the more sophisticated way is to put them to the left side. So that's all we had to make in this video, and it's the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.